Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Fleming Music Factory. I'm your host Josh.
And I'm Lizzie.
And today we're going to teach you the steps to the cup song. Have you ever heard of the cup song before?
Yes, I have.
Okay, it's the song that says, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Right? So the thing is, a lot of times when people think about the cup song, they think it's a lot going on. However, with just a little bit of concentration and focus, you will be able to learn this song like today.
Can I learn in 5 minutes?
Absolutely. Like Muhammad Ali says, if your mind can conceive it and your heart believe it, then you can achieve it. So if you go in with that attitude, like I can do this, you can do this, okay? So at home, the first thing that you would need is a cup, just a regular drinking cup. Notice I said cup and not a glass, because if you get a glass and you hit it on the table, what do you think that's gonna happen?
It's gonna shatter.
Boom! It's just going to go all over the place. So let's go on and get started with this. With the cup song, the first thing that you want to do, Lizzie, is clap 2 times. Can you clap with me? 1, 2, ready, let's go. Clap, clap. Do it again. Clap, clap. At home, join in. Ready, let's go. Clap, clap. Now, after the clap, clap, you want to pat, pat, pat. You're going to clap your hands 2 times and pat, pat, pat 3. So 1, 2, 3. Simple as that. So let's start from the top. Clap, clap, pat, pat, pat. After that pat, 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 you just want to clap 1 time. Just like that. Can we take it from the beginning?
Yes, we can.
Okay, let's go. Clap, clap, pat, 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 clap. And after that clap, you're going to take your hand, place it on the cup. I'm using my right hand on the cup because I'm right-handed.
Me too.
But if you're left-handed, it may be easier for you to just use your left hand. It doesn't really matter at this point. All right, so let's take it from the beginning. Clap, clap, pat, 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 clap, and do what? Everybody say move.
Move!
Yeah, this hand is up. I don't see your hand up. The hand that's up, you're going to move the cup away from that hand. Not so big, right? But you just want to move it away, probably I would say about 2-3 inches. So clap and move. Do that. Clap and move. One more time. Clap and move. Can we take it from the beginning?
Yes, we can.
All right, let's go. Clap, clap, pat, 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 clap and move. Part 2. Are you ready for part 2?
Yeah.
Y'all, that's already half of the cup song.
Yay!
Half of the cup song is just moving your cup over.
Part 2!
All right. So coming up with part 2, what we're going to do is this hand is still going to be raised. This hand did all of that moving. Now it's mad at this hand, so it's going to come over and slap it.
Slap.
Notice I didn't say clap. Don't move this hand in, but the hand is going to come off of here and slap that hand. So slap. And you're going to take your cup, pick it up on the side of your cup, okay? This is an easy way that I always tell people. Turn your cup like you're about to drink it. Pick up your cup like you're about to drink. Oh, but I don't want any. Put it upside down. You see how you picked it up now? Simply just picking it up just like this, okay? So slap and do what? Take the lip of the cup and kiss the palm of your hand. Go, kiss. Slap and kiss. After you kiss it, the corner of the bottom of your cup will tap the table. Just like that. So let's start from slap and kiss tap. Part 2. 1, 2, ready, let's go. Slap and kiss tap. Let's do that much again. Slap and kiss tap. After this hand over here has just been sitting here all of that time, right? So it's time to give him something to do. You ready to give him something to do?
Yep.
Pick up the cup like this, slow-mo, and put the bottom of the cup in that hand. Pass, because now you're passing the hand. Say pass.
Pass.
This hand is so tired, so let this hand go down first. Hand, Then you're gonna cross it over. When you cross it over, make sure you watch your pinky, okay? Because you put cup on your pinky, it's gonna hurt. All right, let's go part 2. And that's after we get that, Lizzie, that's the entire cup song.
Yay!
All right, so 1, 2, part 2, let's go. Slap and kiss, tap, pass, hand, cross. Can we take it from the beginning all the way through to the end?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, ready, let's go. Clap, clap, pat, 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 clap, and move. Part 2, slap and kiss, tap, pass, and cross. Yeah, boy! All right, so the thing is, felt that we went too fast. Thank goodness for technology. Just rewind it back if you have any questions and replay it as much as you need to. But thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of the Fleming Music Factory. I will see you next time.
Bye.
Have a great day. After you learn the cup song, I would really appreciate it if you wanted to tag me in social media. I'm going to leave my Instagram, Facebook, and also my Twitter accounts in the description box below. And remember to hashtag music counts. Have a great day. Clap, 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 and move. Slap and kiss, pass and clap. Clap, clap.